How to deactivate Messenger account. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your Facebook application first and tap on menu. Scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option, then on settings. Under account center, tap on password and security now. You will see the option for personal details. Tap on that and now tap on account ownership and control. Tap on the deactivation or deletion option now. Tap on the deactivate account checkbox and tap on continue. Enter your password and select the reason for why you are deactivating your account and click on continue. Deactivating Facebook alone will not deactivate your messenger. Even though you deactivate your Facebook account, your messenger will still be activated. So now open the messenger application and repeat the same process here too. Tap on the three lines on the left of your screen and then on settings button. Scroll down and tap on password and security and then on personal details. Now tap on account ownership and control and tap on deactivation or deletion. Tap on deactivate account checkbox now and tap to continue. Enter your password and select the reason for why you are deactivating your account here too and click on continue. With this, your messenger will be deactivated. You can activate it again anytime you want. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.